Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will be fixing some few bugs. So for example, if we create a room by the name of test, okay, as you can see when we join it here we can see our player, but now if we leave the room and click on find room, as you can see the test room is still available, okay, and if you click on it, as you can see, it shows the loading screen then, okay. And also there was a bug in which you saw in the previous video, okay, where when the player again and again joins the room, the player list just keep increasing, okay, and it doesn't delete the previous players, okay, which goes offline or leave the room. Okay, so we're gonna fix all of these issues. So first of all, if you open up the launcher script and on the on join room method right here at the top, we're gonna add a for each method, sorry, loop, and in here we're gonna set transform child in the player list content, okay, and if there are any child then we're gonna destroy them. So what this will do, this will delete all of the previous players, okay. Now after this, let's fix the issue with our room, okay. As you know that when we create a room, okay, and as you know that player automatically joins that room, and then if that single player leaves the room, and then if you click on find room, we can still see the room. So we don't want that. When there are no players in the room and the player which created the room leaves the room, then we want to delete that room. So for that, in the room list item, make sure that you make this info public. Then in our launcher where we instantiate a room right here, so what we want to do now, we want to say that if room list I dot removed from list, okay, so if this is true then we want to continue. So what this means that first of all, let me tell you, in Photon Pun, when we create a room, okay, and then if you want to delete that room, then in Photon Fun we actually can't do that. What it do is it make this removed from list to true, okay, and when this is set to true, it just disable that room, okay. So right here we are checking that if a room is disabled, then we just simply say continue because we don't want to instantiate that room again and again. After this, there is no issue with this, so if you want to do it, then do it, and if you want to skip it, then you can skip it as well, okay. Right here, instead of this, what we're gonna do, we will remove that and we're gonna say menus I dot open, okay, because when we are calling open menu right here, it is just calling this whole method again and again, okay, so we don't want that. Actually, as I told you, it is of your own choice, okay, this is just a performance issue. So now if we go ahead and save this, all right, let's build the game first of all. Let's also start the game from here as well, okay. Now if we create a room right here, test create room, now we are in the test room. If we now leave it, click on find room, as you can see there is no test room available. Now if you go back, okay, let's create a room by the name of test1, create room. Let's click right here, find room test1, okay. If you join it, as you can see now it is showing these two players. Now if we leave it from this one, as you can see right here it left, and right here as well. You click on find room again, join test1 again, as you can see now it is now showing the newly player which is added to the room, and as you can see the previous player is not added, okay. Of course the username of the player will keep changing. As you can see it is now changed in both of them. But when we add a username option, then there will be only a single username for each of the player. Okay, but now as you can see that bugs are gone, and with this done, let's end this video right here, and in the next one we're gonna start our game. Okay, because now our room things are done, we can now create a room, find a room, and join that rooms as well.